How often should I clean my cast iron skillet to prevent black residue from forming?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about a common issue faced by many cast iron skillet owners, black residue. It can be a nuisance, but with the right cleaning routine, it's completely preventable. The goal here is to maintain the seasoning of your skillet while ensuring it's clean and residue-free.
What is the black residue?
First, let's understand what this black residue is. It's generally a mixture of oil, food particles, and seasoning that didn't fully polymerize or adhere to the pan's surface during cooking. Over time, this can build up and start flaking off, getting into your food and making cleaning more difficult.
How often should I clean my skillet?
Now, to the most important part, how often should you clean your cast iron skillet? After each use is the simple answer. But it's not just about frequency, it's also about how you clean it. Regular cleaning after each use prevents the accumulation of the residue, making your skillet always ready for cooking.
How to clean your skillet properly?
Cleaning a cast iron skillet involves 4 steps. 1. Wipe out any remaining food with a paper towel. 2. Wash the skillet gently with a bit of dish soap and a non-metal scrub brush. 3. Dry it thoroughly to prevent rusting. 4. Season it lightly with a thin layer of cooking oil. Please note that you should avoid soaking your skillet or using a dishwasher, as this could cause it to rust.
Why is it important to season the skillet after each clean?
Seasoning isn't just for flavor. It creates a patina, a layer of polymerized oil that acts as a natural non-stick surface. Re-seasoning after each clean keeps this layer intact and prevents future black residue buildup. So, the key to a clean, non-stick cast iron skillet that doesn't leave black residue in your food is regular and proper cleaning followed by re-seasoning. I hope this guide helps you maintain the longevity and quality of your skillet. Remember, a well-kept cast iron skillet can last a lifetime. Thanks for watching.